So myself Karthik Shetty and my partner name is Shiv Prasad. Our app is a food donation app. Just show that. Okay. So in this app, if like someone has extra food, they can share it with others, or if someone doing charity or something, like they are donating food, or if they have shortage of food, or they are searching for the donors, they can come this app, like visit this app and look for it. So we'll just this is your first page, login page. Here, like user can log in, or if you don't have any account here, you just go with the join our community. There, like he will create his account. We'll just create one. Like in this password field, we added like this eye icon. Like if we click on that, password will appear. Once again, if we click, it will disappear. So just create. Registration completed successfully. We'll add that same in detail login. Okay, then he will come to this we can say home page or something like that. First one is share my food. If someone has extra food, they can add their details so that like other can see and come visit there, or they can collect that extra food. So first I'll enter mm, food type. Right, I will add with quantity. It means how many people can eat. Add 20. Share with others. Record added successfully. So now that record will be appear right here. Search for food. Like if someone doing charity or something, they can come here in this page. You can see this data is visible right here. That's all basically. So now coming to the coding part, you can see the first page, add food right here. Home in the sense that sharing one middle page. Now, okay, so this is the page where like let's show that page. Okay, this page right here. Here we have recycle view, so that like data will get updated right here. Next, new user, like creating one account. Splash screen, the starting screen which will appear. User login screen, and this one is so this one part will be repeated, like using this piece XML code. Recycle view will work. So okay, every time I'll add new data, no, that like all the data will be appear in this form. In this form, it will like keep on going. So next, we'll come to the database. First, we'll go for the new user part only. So there are few conditions. The first condition is if any of the field in the sense. Yes. So yeah. So any of these fields are empty, then it will show an error. Please enter all the fields. That condition is right here. Otherwise, it will go for the next one. So next one is it will check for the existing user. If user is already exist, no, sorry, this is not the existing user. This is the password. Like password should be match. Just add. First we'll add password www. Here we'll add ccc. Password is not matching, showing like that. Okay. So if password is matching, then it will go for the check user. Like the user already exists or something. I will add that. Just add the first one we added, z. Add that seed credential. So user already exists. Please sign in. You can see user already existing. Then it will go here. The next one is mhm, mhm, registration completed successfully. That toast message right here. So this will like once we get the data, name and password will collect, and that will go to the database part, that we'll see right here. So here we have a database named db helper, and this is the table login.db. So right here table will be created, that has two values, username and password. Then using this we will pass the value. You can see right here username and password, and new user, the same data, these two values will be passed into here and it will be entered. Next, this one is for checking the user already exist. Username, user already exist, that also I think we saw. This one, check username. Check username. If it returns true, that means user is already existed. If false, then see, if true, in the sense if it is true, then it will show user already exist. If false, then we'll move to the next part. There is one more, the last one. This is for login. Show that user login. Here you can see. Here also same condition, like if one of the field is empty, then it will show please enter all the fields. Then come to the this thing, user password checking. Username and password, these two values will passed here, username and password. If password like both are correct, then it will return true, other else return false. If both are true, then it will go to the home page, otherwise it will return user doesn't exist, create one. That's it, I guess. There's one more database, just show that. That is for the like storing that food data, and even this also have the same concept. Right here we'll create that one database, but this has more values, name, food, address and all that. Then values will be passed. You can see right here these values that will come from add food. Same, if fields, any one of the field is empty, it will show us error. Then insert food, using this it will pass the values to this, and that will be successfully added. If it is successful, then record will be added successful, otherwise failed to add record.